Guys, now Fakhar need to be show you here how to run the sticker double XL machine.
Yeah.
So here is Fakhar, yeah.
First you need to
Speak
power
loud.
on this button here.
First you need to power on
Oh,
the
this
back side of
button.
the
Back side
machine, yeah.
This section.
Okay, now it's power on.
After that we need to put the gyro stoppers.
Okay.
There is the numbers, the right direction. You have to put the right direction number. Listen, one number, one is here, yeah. And you have to put this side, this way, and this side the back way.
Okay, number 1
Is here.
stopper going on number 1. Now
There is
show,
number 2.
show me. Here is the number 2.
The number is mentioned is here as well.
And number is mentioned on the machine as well, yeah. Here is number 2. I don't know, it's not visible on like screen. By written over there, see, number 2. And this is the show the front side of the
This
stopper.
is front side.
This is the front side
This
of
is
the
back
stopper.
side.
Yeah, this is the back side. Okay. So same as it is, you need to do
7 rulers.
for all like 4 stoppers. Yeah. Here is mentioned number 3 as well. Here is the number 4. Now it's done. All 4 stoppers we have put it over there.
After that you need to put
After
some
that-
water
Fakhar is putting some water on the ruler.
before starting the rulers.
Yeah, before starting the ruler you need to put like some water over there. Okay, that's done.
After that,
Okay, now see, after like on the machine, this is the screen, yeah. From here Fakhar need to show you how to do the setting of the machine, yeah.
yeah, you have to push up this side, this way,
Just push up this red button,
press this one,
press the blue button,
and run screen.
run a screen,
You have to press home
home
servo.
Okay,
Yeah, it should be on the green side, and gyro parts on, idle motor is on, and unmoved on. If unmoved is not on, it means this plate, you know that this plate is not the right direction.
okay,
So you have to go set up.
okay.
You have
need
to
to
go
go-
set up, and this is a job. You have to control this plate. Like if you press here, come this way. If you press this
See
here,
now, if Fakhar gonna be press the bottom side arrow, yeah,
so it affects
it's
from this
gonna
way.
be effect on the. See.
If sometime it happen, if machine gonna be stuck up, so you have to push again this button
Okay, now he
to forward, yeah, this side,
again push up.
yeah. And wait a couple of seconds. After that, you have again do this one. Press this button again.
Now
You
he
have to
doing
go here.
again.
You see.
See now from the top it's going down.
So now you're gonna press home servo.
Home server.
So now is the exact position.
Now see it's going up. So the level is now fine, yeah.
Then you have a play motor on, run mode on.
Run
Now
mode
your
on.
machine is ready. After
see?
that,
Now the roller will start running, yeah. Now it's rolling. Okay. Yes, Fakhar.
make sure when you start there's no any dot on the glue on the ruler. If any dot on the rulers, you have to put some water and use some tissue and take off this from the dots of the glue. And after that,
Now Fakhar is putting glue on the roller. ज़्यादा ग्लू है, लेस और मोर ग्लू कितना होना चाहिए, ग्लू कितना डालना है?
you make sure you are not putting too much glue. If you're gonna put too much glue, it's gonna be stuck on the bottom of this plate.
Okay. अब बताना। Tell how much glue we need to put on the roller, yeah?
Yes. Make sure here's a gap. You see, you cannot put too much glue. Like this level, you can put glue. If you're gonna put too much glue, the glue gonna be stuck like on the top on this plate.
Okay.
After that, you have to check the adjustment of the glue.
Okay.
The glue levels will be same of the both rulers.
Okay. From here, you need to adjust the glue level, yeah?
Yeah. You see?
See, after doing like setting of these rollers,
Adjustments.
Adjustment,
Glue
yeah.
adjustments. You have to do this.
See?
Yes, yes.
before doing, the glue has not been stick on the right side of the roller, but after like adjusting, it's gonna be like, see, the glue has been like stick all around the roller, yeah, especially on the corners.
So now machine is ready for casing.
Now the machine has been ready for casing, yeah. So now Fakhar gonna be show you how to case the book, yeah. Here is like one 20 by 20 book which Fakhar gonna be show you, yeah.
When you start casing, you have to find the middle part of the book, middle part of the text.
Okay, if the book has been like 20 pages here, so you need to be put on the scale like on the middle of the book, like 10 pages. Okay.
After that,
Now you need to push the finger on your scanner. It's going down, glue is stuck. Now Fakhar take the cover, take it on the corner, put the casing cover. Okay, see, the book has been ready. So now it's going for smashing, yeah. That's another part. Okay. From this machine you need to smash the book. Now Fakhar gonna be show you, yeah.
so you have to set up some, the temperature.
The temperature of the machine is like 30.8.
Yeah, and you set up the seconds. It's like a 20 page, you have to 4 seconds.
Okay, this is the time in second, yeah. So 4 seconds for 20 pages, and if it is like 40 pages, then
You have to 5 seconds.
5. If it is
5
like
to
60
6, 5 to
pages,
6, 5 to 6.
5 to 6 for
That's
more
enough,
than 20
that's enough.
pages, yeah.
So you
now
have to
Fakhar
just
is
spine, press the spine, that's it.
okay. Press the spine,
Both fingers on it.
both finger on the scanner, so it's gonna be smashed the book properly. See, now your book is ready. Okay, this is the part manual one. Now Fakhar gonna be show you how to do automatic, yeah. क्या कह रही है? Okay. Okay.
Okay, here is a vacuum for automatic, yeah. If
Here
you
is the
make a
vacuum, yeah.
automatic.
So which button you need to press?
This one.
Okay, now you need to press the button, yeah. For the vacuum one, this is like automatic system for the 20 pages
It's a
book.
It's more helpful for the thick book.
It's not helpful for the thick book, yeah.
It's helpful for the thin book.
Okay, like less than
20 pages,
less
30
than 30
pages,
pages, yeah. For this automatic system, you need to use less than 30 pages thinner books, yeah. If the book number of pages is more than 30, then it's not gonna be support for that, yeah. So now we're gonna be show you, yeah. Going for glue done. Now you need to put the
put the spine
See?
on the right direction.
Okay, now
If it is not,
you need to put the spine on middle of the level
This
scale, yeah. So it has been sucked the cover.
yeah.
Now it's gonna be, you need to put down, so
And
it's
you
gonna
have
be
to press
automatically, or you need to press this one. So the book has been getting down. It's done. But I'm telling you again, it's the option, this one here, the automatic system only for thinner books, less than 30 pages. So this book is ready as well. So now again need to be do the same procedure for smashing. Okay, done. Thank you guys. This is the whole procedure for the running machine, sticker double XL casing machine. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.